but wait. Okay, but wait. Okay. Come on now. Come on now.
I'm drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Drowning in euphoria. Seems like I'm aiming time. But I thought I could do better, babe. Think about you every day. Just like the diamond you shine. Too many girls in other states, I would've told you anyway. I guess you had enough.
I'm gonna go through how I did this, how you guys can do it, my methods of getting my hair like this, and yeah, I mean, affordable, cute, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it.
Before we do anything, let's just get all the supplies we need. I use peppermint oil to oil my scalp. Then I use Shine and Jam. You can use any type of gel that holds your hair. You'll need rubber bands. And you'll also need a comb and a brush so you can part your hair. I began to part my hair and it took me about 15 and 20 minutes to do so. I had no particular way or method of parting. I just went with the flow and just grabbed pieces and started parting.
Okay, so I have parted the back and already put on the rubber bands on the back end. Let's just get into it. I didn't do any particular way of parting. I just wanted it to look like I tried to part because essentially it's going to be in the back of my head. I'm going to go ahead and part the front and then I'm going to start crocheting. That should be the simplest part. It's already have been an hour of me straightening, rubber banding, and parting the back end. So hopefully we can knock out these, probably put 2 or 3 little pieces up here and we can start crocheting and we can see what's going to happen. Okay, so now I have parted all of my hair, the top, the back, and everything. And what I'm gonna do now is go in with my crochet needle and start crocheting the hair. So I'm using the Free Tress Water Wave hair. It's 22 inch for $6.99 at my beauty supply store. I got 5 packs. Crochet needle. I have this, but they say it comes with one, so we'll see when I open it. And it's in the color 1B.
Okay, now into crocheting this hair. So what I did was separate pieces. So I already had pieces prepared. I'm gonna prep my crochet needle, which I'll open the last. After it's open, I will slide it underneath the rubber band, completely underneath the rubber band, with the clasp still open. See, keep that guy open, keep it open. Now I'm gonna grab a piece of the hair that I've already separated and I'm going to twist it. I want to twist it tight enough so it'll be straight and it'll be able to hook onto the hook very easily, just like that, like so, like that. Yes. Okay, so after I put the hair onto the hook, I will close that latch and I will pull it through completely. You will create an opening with the braiding hair or the twisting hair. After you get that opening, the end of your hair and the end of that braiding hair, you will just put both of those pieces between the opening that you've created. You will then tighten it. Just pull the hair. It won't hurt. Just pull the hair to tighten it. I use a little bit of jam just to secure the flyaways in my hair. I run jam all the way from the root to the end of my hair, and then I'll begin to twist. Okay, so here I'm getting my piece prepared, my next strand of hair prepared, and I'm going to do the next side. So again, I'm going to open the clasp on my crochet needle, put it underneath my rubber band. I'm going to tighten that hair so I can hook it onto my crochet needle. After it's hooked, I will close that crochet needle and pull the hair through. It will create an opening. With that opening, my hair and the excess braiding hair, I will put it through that opening and then I will pull it. And just pull as tight as you need to secure it. I'm gonna add a little bit of gel and I'm gonna continue to twist down.
Okay, so I have now completed doing my passion twist. It's so cute. Like, oh my God, I'm in love with it. I'm gonna do my edges, of course, because I look ate up. So let's do that. It's just a little laid, you know, something simple, something cute, nothing too crazy. Hold on. Period. It took me all of 5 hours, but I got it done, you know what I'm saying? So, even though I parted big, I did take a couple stops, but I'm sure if I didn't, like, come on now. Come on now.
Burns out, you been on some bullshit. Burns out, you moved to my city, got time.
I'm a real trapper, they some real coppers. Them niggas real actors, losing people back.
Toxic.